Hello, this is Gary Barnes from Creative Hands Home Services. 240-416-5068 is our office number. Admin@creativehandsforyou.com is our email address. And www.creativehandsforyou.com is our website. And we are here in Mitchellville, Maryland, where we have installed the basement floor, and a lot of the areas are still drying. You see, there were a lot of items in the house, and lighting was a little poor. So what we did was we actually put everything on the edge of the walls and laid the tile in the center, and then took everything off the edge of the wall and put it in the center and laid the outside. So you see the floor is still curing. We're still punching out a few things, a few areas. We've got some 3/4 round molding going down. It's not completed yet. Carpet bars going across a couple of areas. And also the laundry room. Come on back. And laundry room is being grouted now. The center was grouted days ago. And so the last couple of tiles are going down. And some base molding is going to be put on the walls. We'll be in good shape. That's fine. Once again, Gary Barnes, Creative Hands Home Services, 240-416-5068. You can give us a call for all of your home improvement remodeling needs, and we look forward to making you a customer in the near future. Thank you.